Hello everybody, I am Riley Burke and I will be teaching y'all about Socrative Teacher. Socrative Teacher is an online platform designed to enhance students and teachers' digital communications. It does this by offering question and answer based learning system that's created by the teachers. So basically the teachers create quizzes for the students to take online. The best part about this app is that you get the feedback instantly. So the teachers don't have to grade it. The online platform grades it for them, and the students know the answers immediately, like what the grade they got. So let me show y'all how to get there. So first, you're going to want to go to Safari and look up Socrative Teacher. You'll want to press the teacher login. I'm logged in already, so let me log out real quick. Sign out. Yes. So if you have an account, obviously you'll just log in here. If you don't, you'll go here and create a teacher account. You'll put your name, your email, and all the other questions it asks. Okay, well, I already have an account, so I'm just going to go to it. Okay, so basically, this app, you can play quizzes, you can have your students speed race, or you can do an exit ticket. And you can do, like, have them just answer a quick question real fast to see how much they know. So whenever you'll press it, you'll launch it. You'll pick which one. Let's say I want to do a math quiz. You have a lot of options. You can either do, for the quizzes, instant feedback, which this is basically just a regular quiz, and your students, immediately after they answer a question, will get the feedback. So they cannot go back and change the answers of anything because they get the correct answer right away. And you can require names, shuffle answers, all this stuff. Open navigation is where the students can go throughout the entire quiz and go back if they want. If they don't understand a question, they can go back to it, change their answers, whatever. Teacher paced is where the students can take their test, and the teacher decides when the class goes to the next question. So as a class, everyone will go to the next question, and this is basically just so the teacher can teach the questions if they want to. And then you'll press launch, and when you press launch, you'll have an invite code, invite students, and they can scan this or they can enter your room code name. So let's go back. Okay. Next, there's library. Library, this just shows all the quizzes that you have or the quizzes you've deleted. You can add a quiz, and you can create a blank quiz, which is basically where you just create your own quiz, wherever. Generate, or create your own. Generate questions from AI beta. That's where AI will create a quiz for you. You will it'll ask you for a prompt and you'll answer it. Just type in, hey, can you create 4th grade math test? And it'll do it for you. Copy and paste questions is where you go to a website and copy something and paste it there, and it'll make questions for it from there. Import quiz is where you have a quiz on another website, say an Excel sheet or something. Then you'll just go to import quiz and copy and paste it on there, and it'll create it for you. So let me show y'all how to create a quiz. Let's go to blank quiz. Let's name this, let's say we're making one about math. So 1st grade math. Not Mary math. Okay. And then you want to, let's add a multiple choice question. So let's ask the kids, what is 1 plus 1? And you can decide how many points. Let's give them 10 points for this. You can also add an image or add a video to this question. So you'll basically put your answers. Is it 2? Is it 11? Is it 4? Or is it 1? You can also add pictures to your questions. And then so choose the correct answer, so we'll press that. And if there's multiple answers, you can pick multiple things and check. And so now you have one question. You can also do the same thing for true or false, short answers, or if you want AI to help you generate questions, you can ask it, can I have some first grade math questions? And you can want it, if you want to do multiple choice, you can pick the types of questions you want. Let's do all of them, and let's just do 10 questions. You can decide however many. Generate. It might take a second because obviously the AI is thinking. They don't know like what questions to ask immediately. They can't just plop. Here you go. Okay, and you can see what they've created. What's 2 plus 3? Adding 2, and it's leaving an explanation for you. So if we wanted to add, like, what's this? We'll press add, and we'll go back, and that will be on your thing. And once you're done creating the quiz, you'll press save and exit, and now you'll have your quizzes here. The next thing I want to show y'all is Discover. Discover is where there's already quizzes made that other people have made, and you can press it, and you can pick from all these different quizzes. You can also go through and decide like what exactly you want. Like you can go through classes, like say you want to do algebra, it'll only show you algebra. Grade levels, say we want to do 3rd grade, it'll only show you 3rd grade ones. Keywords, number of questions you want on the quiz, CCSS, the activity type, the quiz author, and then the quiz rating. So that's very helpful if you don't want to create a quiz. There's so many to choose from. And like, yeah, rooms, this is basically once you create a quiz, this is just your students, your rooms that you add. Live results, let me finish activity. This is where you can see how your students are doing. It'll show you their names below. Obviously, I don't have any students right now, so it doesn't show me. But it'll show you their names and like how they did on each question. Like 1, that's how they did on question 1, 2. And it'll just show you exactly how everything went. And that is pretty much all there is to Socrative Teacher. It's a very helpful website that just helps the teachers whenever they create quizzes to see the results immediately so they don't have to go through and grade every single paper, and it's nice to just see it. These are the references I used. I used this video, the YouTube video, to watch how to use it, and then this website to teach me like what it was. But that is all. Thank y'all so much for watching, and bye.